Hello, I'm Dipali from Mitanshi. In this video, we will see how to create coupon codes in Magento 2. As we all know, offering discount codes is a proven technique to convert more visitors into customers. So let us start. Step 1 would be, the first step obviously would be to log in the dashboard. Then click on the marketing tab, cart price rules under promotions. Okay, so here you can refer the already created coupon codes in Magento 2, and let us create one new rule, add new rule. So in the e-commerce store, as you know that it is common practice to add coupon codes on special occasions. Let us take an example of Christmas sale. Here you can add the description of the rule, active, inactive, whether you want to set it as active or not. Right now we will check and test this rule. So I am enabling this websites. If you have multiple websites in one Magento, then you can select this website part. Customer groups, for now let us select all. As a step 1, I will show you the creating a specific coupon code. So from here we will select this option, specific coupon code, and set the coupon Christmas Dhamma sale. Just repeat. These options, this checkboxes, use auto generation, and the next step after the specific coupon code step, we will check this use auto generation as an example as well. Do you want to restrict the uses per coupon? Let us set 40, and how many usage the customer can use. We are going to test this, so let us take this tag. Okay, from here we need to select the date, like from which date to which date this coupon code will be active. Today, for the safer side, the 12 clarity. If multiple rules are there and in this date or regarding this cart price rule, then we can set the priority, which rule should come first. The main part is this conditions part. This is the most useful in all the e-commerce stores. So from here you can add various conditions based on subtotal, total weight, payment methods. For example, if the customer selects cash on delivery, then and then only this coupon code should be active. If we want to set such conditions, then we'll need to select payment methods as a condition. Right now, let us set a rule based on subtotal. If subtotal is greater than 1000, think 500 would be better to test. Okay, so right now I am applying the rule that whether these subtotal is greater than 500, then and then only apply this rule. And how much discount I will receive? It would be based on this option. And in this apply label option, there are 4 main options. Whether to set % of product price discount. For example, the product price is 1000 and the discount would be 10% or 20% of 1000 fixed amount. If I set fixed amount and select 800, I have set conditions of 500, so let us provide discount of 50 rupees. What that means is, whenever the subtotal would greater than 500, 50 rupees discount would be applied if any user is using this coupon code. Okay? Is there any restriction on quantity, like maximum quantity discount applied to? No. Let us set it as a 0 as it is. I have not set any buy one get one free or any rule like this. And on this shipping amount also I don't want to set. And if any subsequent rules are there similar to this, then just discard. Okay. And if you are adding this on shipping, then you from here also you can select this conditions. For shipment with matching items or matching items, and this rule will be applied on cart items. But let us our main purpose is fulfilled, and let us save. And now we'll go to the customer view. Leading the card price range. Customer view. Here our rule is set where Christmas Tamaka sent. Let us find the product with the amount greater than 500. It is already there, and let's select this group. And these are taste products. Okay, so from here you can add this the coupon code that we have created in the packet. Right now the price is 1799 USD. Apply. Bingo. We have $50 discount over this amount on the subtotal. Okay. So as a next step, method 2, we will check the auto generate coupon codes in bulk option. So while creating this Christmas Tamaka sales coupon code, we checked one option, use auto generation. Okay. Now on clicking on this, you can save, you can generate multiple coupon codes, and that can be used by multiple users. Okay, save. So now we have saved this auto generation of coupon. What was this discount card price to name Christmas style? Okay. As it is a demo store, I will need to run the this cron command. Like I will need to run the cron manually. If your store is live and your cron is set up and working properly, then there is no issue with this. Okay. So as soon as I open the rule, I need to enter the coupon quantity, that how many coupons I want to generate in bulk. Okay, from here as well, code length is 12 and code format I selected alphanumeric. And if you want a specific code prefix, for example, meet or Mitanshi, okay, based on your website name or brand name, you can use the code prefix or suffix. And if you want to add dash after any characters on all the coupon codes, then just add the place of these characters. As you can see, all the coupon codes are generated. Now you can use these coupons at any place whenever you select this and share to your customer. Let's check one. Coupon code link. So 1799. The save action will apply to all the coupons that is auto generated in bulk. Okay. Now I have one exciting thing for you. Mitanshi is offering the best solution to convert coupon codes to promotion link that applies discount directly. Instead of sharing these coupon codes to everyone or in mails or whatever format is this, you directly can share the coupon code link. So whenever the customer clicks on that link, that coupon code will automatically generated, applied to the cart. Let us see one example. For example, coupon code link. So, as we created this Christmas sale coupon code, we are going to use this link. Just copy this and share this to everyone. So, I'll copy, and in the front end, whenever it is shared to the customer, it would be applied automatically. So whenever I go and purchase this product, coupon code applied, and here it is applied automatically. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this is helpful to you. Thank you.